What's up coders? Welcome back. Do you use online tools to format JSON or XML? Well, you might be leaking your data to hackers. In this video, we are going to discuss the risk factors of using online formatters, and we'll also provide a solution to format your JSON, GraphQL, XML smartly without the risk of leaking your data. When you use online formatter, the biggest concern is interception. The data being formatted can be intercepted during transit between your device and online tool. This is even more risky when your data contains sensitive information, financial data, or personally identifiable information. Your data could be saved on provider servers in unencrypted format, making it vulnerable to breaches and unauthenticated access. A malicious online tool can tamper with your data. This involves altering the values, injecting malicious code, or even stealing sensitive information. If I convinced you to stop using online formatter, hope so, you would ask how to do it locally. Well, that's exactly what we are going to do next. We'll see how to format your JSON, XML, and GraphQL using Visual Studio Code. It's easier and safer than your online formatter. There are three files with me, one GraphQL, one sample JSON, and another sample XML file. We'll see how to format them one by one. Before we start, please note down the keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, Alt Shift F, and if you're on Mac, Option Shift F. Okay, so let's start with JSON first. Open your JSON file in Visual Studio Code and press Alt Shift F, and your job is done. For JSON file, the default formatter in Visual Studio Code works fine. Let's see what happens with GraphQL. Go to GraphQL file and press Alt Shift F. Now there is no formatter for GraphQL, so I would say install formatter. And what is the formatter? I would prefer Prettier, not seeing it in this list. I'll install this. Okay, let's go back to our GQL file and type Alt Shift F or Option Shift F and see it is formatted. Let's go to our XML file now. Type again Alt Shift F. Again, there is no formatter, so I'll say install formatter. And there is very good formatter from Red Hat. Let's install it. Okay, so formatter is ready. Let's go back to our HTML file and type Alt Shift F, and your job is done. This was a simple tip to keep your data secure. Hit that like button because that will help this video reach more engineers. Also consider subscribing to this channel because that will help us create more content for you. Thank you for watching.